Kentucky's positivity rate is the lowest it's been in nearly 6 months.
Here is a look at today's report. The state reported 880 new cases along with 21 deaths. Nearly 412,000 cases have been reported since last March, and the death toll is now up to 4,850. As we mentioned, the positivity rate is now down below 4%. That is the lowest since September 21st.
While the numbers of Kentuckians who have gotten a vaccine are going up week to week, the number of those getting tested for the virus are dropping at a faster rate.
The testing site at Kroger Field saw a more than 50% drop in tests from January to February. Though last month's back-to-back winter storms is considered a factor in that decline, Chad Hedrick explains why health leaders say we're not at a point yet to stop testing. It's first on Fox.
For the better part of a year, cars have been lining up at Kroger Field to get a COVID test. But those running the site say those lines are getting noticeably shorter.
They are not getting tested as they were a month ago.
Dr. Luke Murray is the COVID director at Wild Health, which runs the Kroger Field operation. He says COVID fatigue is likely a leading cause for the drop in testing.
I wish the answer was because testing wasn't necessary. But I think what the true answer is that people are just tired of it.
In January, Dr. Murray says the Kroger site did 40,000 tests. In February, a sharp decline of just 17,000. While the weather last month is considered a factor in some of that decline, Dr. Murray believes guards are being let down too soon as vaccine rollout gains traction.
When you get a vaccine, you should get tested. Many people are feeling very ill a day or two later, and they're just chalking it up to the vaccine. And it could be actually having COVID.
Tuesday afternoon, Governor Beshear commented on the lower testing numbers, saying the 850,000 Kentuckians who have been vaccinated and those who have antibodies from a recent illness could be indicators.
So testing is going to be a challenge moving forward, and we need to promote it. But at the same time, we also have to understand that with these other two things going on, it's naturally going to be lower.
Despite roughly 25% of Kentucky's adults getting a vaccine, Dr. Murray says that is still a long way from 75% needed to get to herd immunity. In Frankfort, Chad Hedrick for the Fox 56 10 o'clock news.
The governor says he does not believe the drop in testing is why the positivity rate is dropping, adding that it is still a good indicator that the trajectory is right and the cases are in fact going down.